Today we're going to be looking at the Maximus Camera Floodlight. We went ahead and looked at the ring option as compared to this. This one here actually has monitoring for $43 less. This one's like $62. Ring is $100 and something to be able to monitor the way that this one will. This one was $199 and the ring was $249, and the features were very comparable, and we liked how this one looked on the stats and the reviews, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it. We're going to show you how to install it, and we're going to show you how it works. So let's go ahead and do that right now.
The max recording length is 40 seconds to 1 minute. If you take the free plan, you can have 2 hours of storage of the videos recorded, so you can download them if required. If you pay for the annual monitoring, there are 3 different tiers that allow you to do multiple cameras, unlimited storage, etc. And that is the $62 a year for the base plan.
Got the instruction manual, little color card. Got the installing plate as well as the screws to mount it down, and it has wire nuts. Alright, now this is the module here as it sits. It's got the camera in the front, which you're able to press in and move around. It's got the motion sensor here. And on the back plate, it has a unlock and lock setting. So basically you go to unlock, you twist it, pull it off, you just mount this plate, and then this one attaches. And the nice one about this one, if you look at it, it actually has a level built in, so you can make sure that your item is level when you're installing it. It has a rubberized ring to be able to give you some sort of watertight seal when it goes up against the wall. It also has an adjustable angle depending on how you need to angle it on your house, whether it's going up high or down low. It does recommend for you to install it between 7 and 9 feet above the ground to get the best motion activation, but you can also install it a lot higher if need be. The adjusting of the eye works like this. You push it in and then you move it wherever it needs to go. And you're also able to maneuver where you want the lights to be as well. So direction and tilt. The two-way talk feature, the siren, and the dog barking all comes from this speaker that's on the bottom of the unit. And it also tells you that the mounting plate is up. So it shows you that where you need to install it, and then the locking mechanism is always going to be on the bottom. Okay, so for the installation instructions, how it's going to work is first we are going to use the mounting bracket on the junction box, and you're going to make sure that the bracket says front, and that's going to be facing away from the junction box. You are going to use the 2 smallest head screws to attach it to the junction box, the brackets to the junction box. You're going to use the largest head screw to attach the mounting bracket through the center hole, through this center hole, and you're going to make sure that it is showing level. Once it's showing level, you're going to use the medium size head to put it through the adjustable hole and tighten that up. Once that's ready, then you clip on your device and it's going to be ready to go. Of course, let us not forget the grounding screw, which goes in here. into the ground, and your wire nuts to connect your wires. First, you need to make sure the power is turned off. Then we get up there and we disassemble the light and start installing the new one. Now, I always like to wrap the ends of the connections with some electrical tape just for good measure, especially if it's an outdoor fixture, just to make sure that there's no cross connections there or any issues with the weather. Got to make sure it's on the level. Then you can insert the second screw. All right, now it's time to attach the base unit. Lock it in place on the bottom. Make sure you pull off the protective film for the camera lens. And like I said, you're able to adjust it. You're supposed to keep the motion sensor horizontal, and you're able to adjust the lights where you want them to go. Quick and easy install. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get it done. Now let's go ahead and check out the app and see how it works. All right, we got it on and it's working. And right now it's daytime, so it's kind of hard to see the lights, but we'll show you later on tonight.